Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you've all been well. In today's video, I wanted to give you a quick tour. When I mean quick, I really do mean quick because I don't have a lot to show. But what I would like to show you is the place that I'm living at right now. The student residences here at Osgoode Hall Law School. It's called Passy, or Osgoode Chambers as well. Anyways, I wanted to give you a quick tour. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Obviously this morning, this past week as well, it's been quite busy. I'm getting ready to move back to Ottawa. I'm not moving back, I'm just visiting my family who lives in Ottawa. And that's because I'm about to finish work for the summer. I finish next week on Friday, so I'm excited for that. And before I move back, I'm obviously cleaning my place and all that, so I thought it would be nice while I'm cleaning to give you guys a quick tour. But I was at the gym this morning. I'll put in some footage of that before we get to the tour. I hope you guys enjoyed the gym footage. I love being at the gym, and that's why I have a lot of videos and clips from me being at the gym. And I think you guys might have to get used to that, unfortunately, because I live at the gym when I'm not living at home. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video, and I'll start with showing my workspace. Alright, so this is where the magic happens, and I would spend 8 to 9 hours here at a time, especially during exam season in 1L, when our grades really do matter for jobs and job applications which we submit in 2L or in our second year of law school. And obviously, stress levels are through the roof when you're studying for exams and all that. And so because of that, I actually keep a Vitruvi here. I usually add in peppermint, or I add in lavender, or I might add in eucalyptus, and it really does help you calm yourself down. But even if I didn't have the Vitruvi, I'm usually pretty good about managing my stress. I make sure to get out all the time. I make sure to hang out with friends. I go to the gym and all that jazz. So yeah, but the Vitruvi is a good touch, to be honest, especially for any kind of living space. It really does add a nice touch. Up top, I have some bookends, and I have a lot of books because I like to read. These two books right here are law textbooks, which I need to sell. But over here, I have a lot of nonfiction. I used to read fiction when I was a kid, but then I kind of got out of it since I realized that reading nonfiction was a better use of my time. At the center here, I have a statue of the Buddha because I'm actually Buddhist. And then over here at the corner, I have a Statue of Liberty, a small one, which I brought back from New York. You guys saw that. And down here, I have a LG ultra-wide monitor, which really does help a ton to boost your efficiency when you're working, because you can have multiple tabs on the main screen, and then you can have some tabs on your laptop screen as well. So yeah, that's that for my workspace. And then I usually keep my bags down here. I throw them there because there's not a lot of space. I pay $130 for each month. I don't know the square footage of this, but it's kind of spacious for an apartment in Toronto. This is in North York, so it's not in Toronto directly, but still pretty cheap because utilities, internet, and maintenance, all that is included in what you're paying. So here we have the kitchen. I always make sure to meal prep on the weekends. What I do is I cook for the entire week. I keep half of what I make in the freezer so that way it lasts longer and I can use it in the second half of the week. And the other half I actually keep in the fridge, and then I eat that between the weekend and Wednesday basically, and that system works really well for me. Speaking of food, when I go back to Ottawa, I'm actually going to be making some food videos for you guys, which I think will be pretty helpful, especially if any of you guys are students and are looking for some nice delicious recipes. I'm Sinhalese, so I will be making some Sinhalese food videos. I was born and raised in Ottawa. I'm Canadian obviously, but you know, I think you guys can all agree with me on this. You know, North American food tends to be kind of bland, and it's usually pretty unhealthy too. So I think incorporating other foods, you know, other recipes from other cuisines is a pretty good idea, and it'll keep life interesting. Okay, and yeah, right here we have the washroom. There's nothing really to show in there obviously, but this is my bed. This is a twin size bed, so it's kind of small, but you know, I guess it does the job. And then that's the entrance right there. And I'll put in a video for you guys of the outdoors. I think you guys might have seen some of it through my other videos, but I'll add another clip right here for you guys so you can check that out. Okay, so that was it. I told you guys I was not kidding when I said this video would be short. There's not really much to show with a student residence, but I know some of you guys may be considering coming to Osgoode Hall Law School, and you might be considering staying on the student residences or past your Osgoode chambers here. And so I thought it would be nice to give you a short, but I hope comprehensive tour of the student residences here. And for those who are just curious about where I live and wanted to see where I live, I thought it would be nice to make this video as well. But next year, actually, I will be moving out because I will have graduated by then. I know I'll be done school, it's quite sad. But on top of that, I will be articling for the corporate Bay Street law firm that I'm working at right now, which is called Woodward Delis. And for that, you know, I'll be spending long hours in the office, so it makes sense to get a place close by. And so I will be living in downtown. When I move there, I'll be sure to give you guys a tour of that as well. And I'll probably be sure to make a apartment hunting video too. So stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, share this video with someone who you think will enjoy it. And please support the channel. Follow me on Instagram. You guys know the whole deal. All right. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.